Welcome to this Rockler demo. Today we're going to talk about a way to customize your drawer storage with foam organizers. If you use drawers as one way to organize your shop, you've probably got at least a few drawers like I do that serve as catch-alls for anything and everything. And sometimes junk drawers like this are just fine because the contents of the drawer aren't valuable or fragile or part of an important set. All the stuff just needs to go someplace where you can find it. But a jumble of stuff in a drawer doesn't work for everything. Sometimes it's important to keep all the components of something together and organized so they're easy to see at a glance. This collection of lathe parts is a good example. And when it comes to valuable tools like hand planes, the last thing you want to do is toss these into a drawer. They deserve dedicated storage where other tools and supplies can't damage them. And tools with sharp, delicate edges like these chisels deserve special protection too. Well, for these sorts of situations and more, Rockler's foam organizers for drawers can help. This closed-cell polyethylene foam comes in 24 by 48 inch sheets in two thicknesses, 1 1/8 and 2 1/4. And what makes this dense foam unique is that it's laminated. If you look closely here, the 2 1/4 inch thickness is made up of 12 individual sheets of foam. And the 1 1/8 thick foam has 6 layers. And these layers can be cut and peeled out to create customized recesses in any shape. If you've seen those special carry cases for firearms or photography equipment, this is the same principle. To create a foam insert, measure the drawer's interior dimensions and cut a piece of foam to that size. It cuts easily on a table saw, bandsaw, or even with a long-bladed utility knife. Now lay out the foam insert with the drawer contents you want to store on it. And when you're satisfied with the layout, carefully trace around each shape with a permanent marker that draws a bold line. Now use a narrow-bladed utility knife to score along the outlines you've drawn. I found that this foam peels out best about 4 layers deep, or about 3/4 of an inch of blade extension. So I'm cutting to that depth here. With a sharp, narrow razor blade, this polyethylene is really easy to cut cleanly, whether you're following straight or curved lines. Now reach in and peel out the foam to create the recess. That's all there is to it. Just repeat the process to create all the recesses you've drawn on the insert. In some cases, you might have to create a recess of several depths in order to best fit the object being stored. It's really gratifying to see how well these tools or supplies fit the custom recesses you've created, and the benefits for the effort are pretty sweet too. Now my chisels can't roll around in the drawer, and their sharp edges are isolated and protected. At a glance, I can see all of my important lathe accessories, and it's easy to spot when something is missing. And with this drawer organizer, my hand planes are always at the ready, and now in a mechanic's tool chest, I can lock when I need to. While you won't need a foam organizer for every drawer, it could be the ideal storage solution for some tools and supplies that need a little something extra. This foam is available in packs of 1 or 3 sheets at your local Rockler store or at rockler.com. And you can get 3 sheets for about the same price as 1 sheet of the competitor's foam, which makes it a great deal. I'm Chris Marshall with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal magazine, and thanks for watching.